Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is long overdue, but I'm going to do some unboxing and swatches, and I can't wait for you to see what is inside this box. I thought that this box deserved an unboxing and a video of its own because it is absolutely stunning, it is gorgeous, it is breathtaking, it is the biggest gift I have ever received. Thank you so much, PIXI Beauty. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So without holding you up with any more talking, I'm just going to jump in and start swatching. Starting off with the eyeshadow palette, I think it is absolutely stunning. All the warm tones and berry tones. So the first two shades are called Feb 4th and Oh He Got Money. The second two is Best Fam and the Philippines. Always Dancing and Fur Babies are up next. Followed by Lip Sync and Coffee. I feel that these shades are absolutely perfect for anyone. They're going to make anyone's eyes pop. And there's a nice combinations of mattes, neutrals, and then nice deep warm shimmery shades. Moving on to the highlighter palette, I decided not to swatch this one because I would like to give it to someone as a gift. But these shades are really pretty. It's like all different shades of highlighters, ranging from like neutrals to purples to some that are slightly more bronzed as well. It's a really stunning palette. Next up are the lip glosses. Oh, they are so pretty. All of them have these little tiny sparkly glitters inside. They just make the lips have like a really nice finish. So the first one, I can't pronounce its name. Parfait. Yeah, I tried to Google it, but that's as good as it gets. It's like a soft nude see-through pink with a purple shift in it. Next is Bonbon. It's a bright pink. Doesn't give off as much pink, but it's got this nice pink sheen to it. Oh, it's stunning. This over any liquid lipstick. Sold on it. It's gonna look stunning. The nice thing about them being so transparent is that they can fit with almost any lipstick. The last one is Sorbet. It's a nice bluish purple. I find that I'm gonna be using this on the eyes more than anything else. Up next is the eye and lip kits. I think these are super cute, especially because you can give them as gifts. They're very pretty, guys, and these liquid lipsticks last. So first on is liquid lipstick. This one's called Posh Nude. I really like the applicator of these liquid lipsticks. It has a really sharp end. It almost looks like a little leaf. It really is going to help you with shaping the outside of the lip. This one is called Coral Bang. It's a really nice bright color. In the packaging it looks almost orange, but it's got a slight more reddish pink tint to it when you apply it on the lips. It's going to be a very nice summer color. Then heading on to the eyes. This one's called Merge. So these aren't as opaque. It's almost like a slight glitter cream that you're applying over. This is going to be really nice on its own or over a nude eyeshadow. Then moving to the next one is Starry Night over a black eyeshadow. This is going to look absolutely stunning. As I said, it's not as opaque, so it's going to give you more of a shimmering effect, like when you turn your head. It's going to look so pretty. I can't wait to try this on a look. Up next are some glowy bronzy products. These two are pretty big. You get about 9.36 grams of product in the big pans and 0.05 ounces in the stick. So this is like an eyeshadow stick. It's got a bronzy coppery tone to it. I feel like this would be really easy for someone that does not like spending a lot of time on eyeshadow. You could just apply it over the lid and then use your finger to smudge out the edges, as I'm like trying to show. So you could just apply it over the lid and then just smudge out the edges. I'm speaking way too fast for myself. And then if you want, you could just add like a darker matte shade in the crease, and you could actually just do a really quick smoky eye. So the more pinky shade is called Wednesdays. I really like the formula. These are skin finishes. I'm not sure if you're supposed to apply it over the whole face, but this really does add a nice glow to your cheeks. I feel like it's a really nice color to have in a bridal kit as well. Just give you like softer dewy finish on the cheeks. And the more brown one out of the two is called Fetch. It's going to be a nice bronzer just to add over, especially on your collarbones and on your shoulders if you're wearing a crop top for the day. So these are just some close-ups of the products. I thought it was nice to see some of the textures. These skin finishes are slightly more grained and they're not that smooth. So this would be the liquid eyeshadow, just to show you what kind of metallic foil pressed finish it gives you, and then this liquid lipstick. I really like the applicator. It's shaped like a little leaf, and it is really going to help you when shaping the outside of the lips, especially with a lipstick this dark or liquid lipstick this dark. I usually end up having to reach for a little lip brush or a lip pencil to help me with the edges, but I feel like this applicator is going to make it really easy for you to apply. I'm still trying to film some flat lays. My cat just had to jump on the bed and interrupt, but oh, he's so cute, I couldn't move him. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and just some swatches. I don't usually do swatches, but it's new and I kind of like it. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know down in the comments if swatch videos is something that you are interested in. Then I could definitely spend some more time swatching some other products. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I hope you have an absolutely fabulous day. Bye.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to